Alright, story time. So picture this. You are on the set and ready to build your camera rig, and you pulled out this, and this. Yep, this was me, carrying around toolbox like I was building a house, not a camera rig. It was heavy, it was messy, and let's be real, it was not cute at all. Until then, I discovered the Tilta Multifunction Mini Tool Kit, and let me tell you, a game changer. This little guy is compact, lightweight, and has everything I need. Best part, it is so easy to carry. I just clip it to my bag with my Peak Design anchor, and boom, it's always there when I need it. No more digging through my bag like a maniac on set. Seriously, this tool has saved me so much time. If you are into videography, you need this in your life. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and share it with your filmmaking squad. Until next time, stay creative.